In today's training, we're going to be reviewing Voyant's goal priority analysis tool. The plan that we're working in, our clients have 3 goals that they would primarily like to achieve throughout the lifetime of their plan. They want to be able to remodel their home, spend around $25,000 annually on travel in retirement, and then they have a $150,000 per annum retirement goal in this plan. And right now we're currently on track to meet the first 2, only 24 out of the 27 years, and you can see the shortfall here in the cash flow chart. Let's now go to our insights section, and we're going to look at the goal priority analysis insight for this plan. You can do this a couple of different ways. You can use this slider bar to remove luxury or leisure goals from the plan. And by doing this, we can see if we remove the home remodel and the retirement travel, click Get Started, would they be able to meet their annual spend goal for retirement? And the answer is yes. By removing these 2 spending items, they would be able to now meet their retirement spending goal for 27 years out of the 27 years in the plan. If we wanted to take this as more of a piecemeal approach, what we could do is simply remove one goal. So let's say I want to remove the home remodel and see if we could leave the retirement travel goal in this plan and still get a successful outcome. And we can see we're back down to only 1% better on our retirement goal and the same on our retirement travel goal. I can now remove the retirement travel and leave the home remodel in and see how that scenario would affect the plan. And we can see in this scenario, they would be able to meet these 2 goals, but we're going to need to reassess this retirement travel goal. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions or you'd like to run through this insight with one of our support team members, you can always reach out to us at support@planwithvoyant.com or click the name of your client in the top right, request support, enter your message into the text box, and share client access. Thanks for listening.